god, I ripped out so much of my eyebrow.
Let peace, stress free, let it be.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Ashley, and today we are going to be waxing my eyebrows with this. If you watched my New Year's Eve Get Ready With Me, then you may have heard the part where I said that I haven't waxed my eyebrows in like 2 years. And that is the truth. I have not waxed my eyebrows in 2 years or done anything, plucked them, nothing. And as you can see, this is why they're blonde. See, you probably didn't even know I had eyebrows. Like back here, you can't see them. Right there, there you go. I have very light eyebrows that look non-existent unless I fill them in, which means the hair is right here and like right here. You can't really see unless you're like up against my face, but nobody's that close to me, so. And I wanted to start the new year off a little less fuzzy, so I was actually supposed to wax my eyebrows on New Year's Eve, but that didn't happen because I went to CVS and I got this. And apparently you needed half a lemon for it, I guess, because it's like a sugar wax thing. And I didn't have a lemon, but now I have a lemon. Sugar wax is supposed to be much better for you than regular waxing, although this comes with strips to like peel it off, and I thought it was gonna be like you make the sugar wax ball, so I don't really know how this is gonna work out. Also, a pandemic going on right now, so I'm not gonna go get my eyebrows done. That's not really a necessity. And I just hate paying to get my eyebrows done, kind of. So I would rather just do it myself. So this is the brand that I got, and up close, it's like sugar wax, all of that. It says it's good for your face, it's fine. So, you know, this will work. Hopefully this doesn't turn out that bad. If it does, I mean, you can't see my eyebrows anyways, so it really doesn't make a difference. I guess this will kind of also be like a review of this Nads Natural Sugar Wax product. I got it from CVS. I guess we're also kind of reviewing it, but like also waxing my eyebrows, obviously. So let's just get started. Hopefully this won't take too long, but if you do like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up down below so that I know. And also comment down below how you prefer to do your eyebrows. Do you like to wax them, pluck them, thread them? I did that for a while too. Or do you just leave them, you know, natural? What do you do with your eyebrows? I want to know. And also make sure you subscribe to see more videos from me and possibly more product reviews, because this is my second one and they're kind of fun to do, / waxing my eyebrows. I won't do it again for a while, but you know, if you want to see other videos from me, go ahead and subscribe down below. If you want to come along on this ride with me and see if I do a good job of waxing my eyebrows, or if I mess it all up and wax my eyebrows completely off, then keep watching this video. Okay, now let's actually get started. So it comes with this pre-wax cleansing soap, some sticks, 4 sticks, instructions, very important. Oh my gosh, more sticks, 6 sticks. Oh, and a small stick. 6 sticks and a small stick. So I guess these are the cotton strips that you use. They're 100% cotton and they're reusable. Oh my gosh, this is so low waste. Not zero waste, this is plastic. And this is probably not compostable or biodegradable, but it's made from recycled paper. Awesome, love it. And then this is the sugar wax. So this sugar wax is made with 100% natural ingredients, made in Australia, cruelty-free against animal testing. We love, and no fragrances or colorants, so it should not be irritating for your skin, which is good because I have very sensitive skin. Let's read the instructions, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need my lemon also. Okay, so there's a picture of a lemon right here, which is why I thought I needed a lemon, and it was just saying like it wasn't included because there's no like little title next to it. But reading these instructions, it says nothing about a lemon, so I don't think I need a lemon. The instructions say to have all like moisturizers and stuff removed, so I have to do that real quick, and I'm going to use the pre-cleansing or pre-wax cleansing soap to do so. Just getting around my eyes because that's the only place I'm waxing. Then you have to dry it completely. I'm so nervous. Okay, so it's all dry. There aren't really instructions on how to like apply it, but I guess all of these are wooden applicators. I think I'm just gonna use the small one for like precision, and I'm not sure if I need to cut these or if they're like pre-cut already. Okay, so they are pre-cut in strips like this, but like, okay, so I'm just gonna cut it like this. Cool, now we have 4 smaller strips, and I will cut more if I end up needing more. This is the sugar wax, as I said before. That's what it looks like. It looks very sticky. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is so messy. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is like the messiest thing ever. Oh my gosh. It's all over my hands. Washes off pretty easy though. Ah, I'm so nervous. Let's get started. Okay. I think that this is too thick. I think it's supposed to like be a little bit runnier. It says to put it in the microwave for like 10 seconds, so BRB, I'm gonna go do that real quick. Okay, definitely runnier. You don't want to put it in too long though, because then it gets too hot, and the point of this is that there's no heat, and that's what makes it like less irritating, I guess. You apply the wax in the direction of the hair growth, and then you pull this the opposite direction of the hair growth. So we're just gonna go with the middle part first, because I feel like that might be the easiest. Let me turn you around there. There we go. There we go. I'm nervous. I don't want to put too much wax. Okay, so it's applied. It's very stringy, and then we put this on there. Do we leave it sitting? Oh shoot. Okay, so you smooth over it a few times. This is gonna hurt so bad. Okay, and then, whew, brace yourself. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. Okay, and then you just rip it. It's not that hard. I'm such a baby. Oh my gosh, I hate waxing, it hurts. Ready? 1. I'm gonna throw up. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that did not hurt that bad, but it kind of hurt a little bit. I still have wax on me. Okay, it actually doesn't hurt. I'm bleeding. Just a little leftover wax. Where am I bleeding? I don't know where I'm bleeding, but there's like little spots of blood on here. You can't really see, it's like really tiny. Get a close up on all that hair that it just ripped out. Can you see that? That's so much hair, I feel like. Nice, nice, nice. And now it's smooth and there's no hair. All right, it actually doesn't hurt that bad. I think I was just being dramatic, as always. Let's keep going. I'm just gonna use this to kind of shape my eyebrow. Let's do the top first. So I wanna get all of this hair out of the way just in case. Okay, so this is the direction that my hair grows in. Oh my god, I feel like this is like on my eyebrow. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna rip my eyebrow out. Why am I nervous? I know it doesn't hurt. 1, 2. My eyebrow is intact. We're good. Can I like, oh I can. Okay, we're gonna fold this and use it for the line on the side. Okay, get my hair out of there because that's gonna hurt. Doing small sections at a time just so I don't mess it up. Okay, ready? Just do it. Didn't even hurt. It doesn't even hurt, but it like is ripping my hair out for sure. There's definitely hair on there. It's really soft. Getting a little red, but that's to be expected. Okay, let's do the other side on the top now. Hurts a little bit. It hurts a little bit. Wow, that took off so much hair. Like where I didn't want it. It left it where I wanted it, obviously. All right, now we're gonna do the part that's admittedly the most painful to do underneath. I just poked myself underneath of the eyes. So now we're gonna push all this hair back up. I think I'm gonna go and like trim this after. I already feel like this part is gonna hurt. It already kind of hurt just like putting the wax on. 3, 2, 1. Ow. That one hurt. Oh my god, I ripped out so much of my eyebrow. Oh my goodness. Hold on. I might have done something good. Just did a good thing. I gave myself some like arch unintentionally. Hopefully I can do the same on this side. Wow. Okay, now I need to do this because this is like way too thick. Wow. Look at, I guess my other eyebrow can be the before. So this is this one. I know it's really hard to see, I'm sorry. So look at the arch, the definition. And then look at how much is this one, you know? So much hair, like long hairs, not just like little hairs. It was really scary at first. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna fold it in half again. Now we're gonna go the inside of my eyebrow and hopefully make it a line. Oh no, it's going in my eye. Oh my god, it's stuck to my eyelash. Okay, but now I can't see. I also have like eczema or something on this part of my eyebrows, like right here. I'm not sure if you can see it. It's really, really dry though. And I had to remove all my moisturizer and everything. So this might actually really hurt. Let's do it anyway. I'm in pain. I'm so nervous. We got this. 3, 2, 1. I'm inflicting so much pain on myself. It's not coming off, it's just like stuck on me. Okay. Oh no. Okay, we'll just wash it after, it's fine. I'm gonna have to cut some more strips. Well, one more strip, but... Okay, now we have to try to match the other one, which is a little difficult. This actually really hurts. It like burns. I'm pretty sure I ripped my skin off with this one, so that's cool. Like my dry skin that I had. 3, 2, 1. Ow! Ouch! I need to decide if they're even. I'm bleeding. Okay, do the other inside part and then we will figure out if they're even. Fingers crossed. Oh no. Okay, that is going to take off the majority of my eyebrow. How do I fix that? Water. Okay. We should be good to go. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is gonna take off a chunk of my eyebrow, but let's see. 3, oh god, it hurts. Okay. 3, 2, I feel like I didn't smooth it on enough. I'm so nervous, even though this is my last one. And we're already done. Okay. 3, 2, I took off so much hair. Hold on, hold on, hold up, hold on. Let me just fix this a little bit. I'm bleeding, but I think she looks good. Let me just rinse off any wax left on my eyes and my eyebrows. I might have made them a little bit too thin, but they thicken, like they grow back, it's fine. I mean, I think they look pretty good. Comment down below if they look good. Okay, let me go get some little scissors real quick so that I can like trim the hairs. BRB again. Done. Perfect. These are my new eyebrows, like I got them like put on. This is what my eyebrows look like now. They're a little thin, admittedly, but I like it. I wanted them a little bit thin. I think they were just really thick. And if I want them thicker, I mean, I can just fill it in thicker. It doesn't really matter. So yes, this is what we're gonna be working with for a while until they grow back. Not that long. Overall, I did really like using this product. I'm definitely gonna use it again. I have so much product left just doing my eyebrows. I still have the entire jar left. Like I barely made a dent in it. Obviously these strips are big enough and they give you enough of them, so you can do this over and over again. You can do your legs, you can do your armpits if you really wanted. I think I'm just gonna keep it for my eyebrows. I should probably do my lip too, but I'm really scared to wax it and then have it come back darker because it's like blonde right now. I just exposed myself. Nobody knew I had a mustache before this. I have a mustache. I'm Portuguese, we all have mustaches, I can't help it. Anyways, it's a natural, who cares? But I did really love this product. I love that these are washable and reusable. Love that, love reducing waste, although they were wrapped in plastic. Maybe the company should work on that a little bit. It was really easy to use and it was a lot less painful than using like regular wax. While it was a little bit stringy, which made it a little bit messy, it wasn't getting like all over my eyebrow. I didn't feel like it was like smearing or anything. And literally, I just finished, and normally if I went and got my eyebrows waxed somewhere, even if I got them threaded or whatever, it would be red, like so red on my eyebrows, and it's not. Like, it's just normal. It's a little bit irritated and a couple areas hurt a little bit, but it was so much less painful than waxing, and I can just tell that my skin isn't like screaming. But I did really enjoy using this product. I highly recommend it. Not sponsored or anything, I just picked one up at CVS that looked like good and like I wanted to use it, and I am really happy that I picked this one. I like it a lot. I think it worked really well. I'm just gonna stop talking about it, so I'm gonna go on for hours. And that is it. Thank you for coming along on this ride with me to wax my eyebrows. Really appreciate it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up down below so that I know. And also subscribe if you want to see more of me and my beautiful newly waxed eyebrows. Alright, thank you all so much again for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!